Um, as I was editing this intro, I realized that I really didn't have one, at least not a proper one. And this vlog ended up being very chaotic. It was one of those things where I kind of just like picked up my camera and just decided to film. Also, I'm sorry if you're hearing all of my notifications on my MacBook right now. I'm so sorry. Um, Besides the point, irrelevant. Anyway, I made a whole bunch of decisions in this vlog, and they were great, and they were so fun. And so this is like a dopamine menu kind of weekend, and I think that's the title of this video. I don't really know for sure yet. Um, but hopefully you guys enjoy. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm Melissa. I go to the University of Texas as a junior, and I pretty much just take my little camera with me everywhere I go, and I capture moments like these. So yeah, let's just get into this video, I guess. Fine, 2 seconds ago.
Hey guys, welcome to her channel, not mine, because someone's got stage fright. She's having me drive and do the intro, so you know, bear with me. It's a new start, because I guess I make her nervous. We're on our way to Box Lunch to get Disney pins so we can trade them in. I'm excited. She's more excited than I am because she's a child. And we got the matching Adidas sweats with the, what is it? No, not Hollister jacket. There we go. Sorry guys, we got goldfish memory. And back to her.
And NC.
Guys, look. You guys only get a sneak peek, that's it. And look at that. No. We went to Box Lunch so that we could get trading pins. Okay, there we go. Now it won't. Magnet from fridge.
A Cinderella pin of some sort.
It's Princess Pet's pin.
Okay, and then I got another Disney princess one, but it has bows instead, which I thought I could put on my little loungefly when I get it. And then he got Marvel pins to trade. I'll show them mine.
So guys, I got this one from the Goofy movie. And then, of course, every time you watch an animated Disney short,
Steamboat Willie.
Oh, it was upside down. Sorry, guys. There.
Stitch, dressed as the devil. And then from the Up movie, before she dies, unfortunately. And then my favorite Disney princess is Belle. So we got that one.
This one matches her.
What?
Because she's always sleepy.
Shut up! That is so cute! Wait, look, you can... Oh, that it's...
First.
Should I open the bow one?
The Stitch one.
The Stitch one. We have a Stitch theme. Ooh.
Oh? Unboxing of unboxing. Never heard of.
A bag inside of a box? Oh, that was satisfying.
What did we
What
get?
do you think it is?
The yellow one.
We got him riding a wave.
Because you like the beach so much.
I literally... What are the odds that I'm getting...
So, we're opening this one now, guys. Oh, once again, a bag inside of a box.
They thought of everything. What the heck?
So we got the raccoon,
Okay.
which is kind of cool.
My last one is the bow.
Oh,
You should get any of these ones. I love the blind bags. They're my favorite. Which one are we hoping? I am praying for Rapunzel. Please give me Rapunzel.
guys, she can't open the bag.
I can't open crap. What do you think we got?
There's no way.
I got Rapunzel!
Is that? No, that's...
That's Rapunzel!
She knows her princesses.
I got Rapunzel. The lantern bitch.
I'm thinking the Hulk.
She's been saying that since we got out of there.
That's what I'm saying.
I say we get Thor.
You think it's the... Oh. Alright, guys. Moment of truth. And we got... Dun 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 dun! Black Panther.
It was none of our choosings. A complete pin collection. This one's my favorite. I like that one a lot. Which one's your favorite, baby?
Steamboat Willie.
Steamboat Willie is the fave as well. More damage was done. We have no self-control. We got another bag. Okay. Valid stuff though. Cutie cuffs. So that we could wear them around the Disney parks.
She's got to do that.
And then, no. He got a Star Wars one because I couldn't find any other cutie ones that I liked. We also got matching sleeping pants because we're children. Minus those, to get more deals in Halloween, he got pins. So one last pin to unbox.
It's Dumbo!
No way! Oh, that's so... Oh, this is so cute. I can't even lie. Look at it.
It's Dumbo.
Oh, that was so satisfying. That had no reason to be that satisfying. Wait, does it tell us what we could get? It doesn't even tell us what we could get.
Nope. It is the mystery of a mystery.
Woo! Oh my god!
Tourist. She got tourist.
Oh my god, look at him!
Stitch. Star Wars. Is it who I think it is? guys. Luke!
Actually?
That's Luke Skywalker.
I don't watch Star Wars.
She didn't watch Star Wars.
Oh, that's so cute! We could get...
Sorry, guys. Look.
I'm like, I got Stitch on my bag.
She got Stitch on the bag. And I got Luke Skywalker on Miss Betty. Successful unboxing.
We will be spending more money on this place.
Sadly.
Because we have a Disney trip coming up January. So there might be a vlog coming in the near future after all of the spending, I promise. Hope. Hello vlog, it's a couple days later. My last clip, I was pretty much explaining the fact that we went to Disney. Or not went to Disney, we're planning a trip to Disney, which is further in the future. So we're not even gonna talk about that until the flights are booked because I don't wanna ruin anything. And I don't wanna say something and then it not happen. You know, get out of this slump together. And my boyfriend took the day off so that we could just go do stuff to heal our souls. Usually that's what our Sundays are for, but I guess the Sunday just wasn't enough this time. And it's been quite some time where I felt pretty down. And maybe it's the start of school and how stressed I am. Hopefully I'm back to regular uploads. Hopefully by the time you guys see this video, I am back to regular uploads. But it's just, it's doing a lot right now for my mental. That kind of thing. I'm sorry this video ended up turning into like getting me out of a slump, but I figured that was gonna happen. I mean, it's a couple days of my life. You guys gotta, stuff evolves and sometimes we don't have the control over it as much as we think that we do. But I feel like filming this, I'm admitting defeat. So that means the only way that we could go from here is up. That being said, I'm gonna see you guys after I finish my shower. Alright, so I finished my shower, which is the first thing I do for feeling good. You know, skincare. Along with that, I also tidied up my room a little bit just because it was kind of chaotic. So that's another thing on my dopamine menu. Tomorrow, this is the under eye patches that I use. Alright, and they're on. I know this is weird to do, but I'm just a girl and I need to see, so deal with it. We're giving an application for a dog now. When I met Santi, I was talking about getting a dog and I never got it. For multiple reasons that I'm not gonna say. But now I'm getting one, so I'm excited. Can I not be excited? Am I not allowed to be excited?
These are her words, not mine.
Whatever, whatever, whatever. Oh, say hello. His name's Ryson. We gotta take you to the vet soon. Well, you're ours, though.
If you guys have any
suggestion for dandruff.
Not suggestions for dandruff, but just suggestions for names.
Oh yeah, because we get to register his name. Oh.
Oh, you smacked the fuck out of me.
I know. Wait, let me put on my seatbelt, baby. His middle name can be Peanut. Apollo Peanut the third.
The second.
The second?
First time, guys. First time.
First time what?
Adopting a dog.
Really? This is my first time adopting a dog too. Do anything. It's 12:37.
She's a little nervous, guys.
Shut up!
Nervous Nelly. Just like a little sister. Nelly.
Yes, I know.
Just me?
Well, we're... You... Shut up, Santiago. Okay, so it's 12:37 and we just ordered Chipotle. Our plans for the day is the zoo. We're gonna go to Target to get the dog bones because he's teething. I also need to look into freaking allergy medication or allergy shots so that I don't die while I'm at home, unfortunately. And then, did I mention the zoo already?
You did, so I kind of stopped you.
Target, Dave & Buster's, because we have a whole bunch of points and virtual stuff on there that we want to use today. So that's the plan. Hopefully it all gets done before and at a decent time. My camera's gonna kill me because it's too hot, so I'm gonna turn this off now. Okay, like I was saying, also on the topic of the fact that I have to get allergy shots, I had to put on more makeup today because I broke out in hives right here and my entire face was red. So that's why I'm wearing foundation. If not, I really wouldn't be. Because we're going to the zoo and I don't need makeup for the zoo. But yeah, we're gonna go get food now because I'm fucking hungry.
Yeah, that's why. So, we just finished the Africa exhibit. Ma'am, how was your speak?
It was great. Now continue.
Okay.
Go, babe.
So now we just finished with the penguins. My favorite exhibit
Oh, God.
was the America's bird exhibit. That was very fun. Also spider monkeys. One of them grabbed a piece of grass, put it in his tail, and went to go eat it and hide, just like my fat ass. And now we're going to explore the Asia exhibit.
We're not
Off
going to
we
go to
go.
the Chihuahuan. Or we're not going
Last.
to... Okay.
We shall go now. Turtle, turtle, turtle.
Do we look like we're dying? Because I feel like we're dying.
I do this shit for fun.
I look oily. Let's not pay attention to that. We're done with the zoo, and it's officially 93 degrees outside.
It was 115
And-
in a truck.
Yeah, and inside the truck it was 115. But this was our attempt to bring my camera out somewhere where I had to have the camera. So essentially Disney, so that I'm not scared to take out a camera, because I am scared to vlog in public still.
And just to let you guys know, if you guys do want to visit the El Paso Zoo, Asia is on some construction maintenance at the time.
It's been under construction for a very long time, and I don't know when they're gonna finish.
Whenever.
Because we've been waiting on the Asian rainforest for at least a year, or at least since I've gone a year ago. They've been still working on it, so that's fun.
Sad. Very sad.
But now we're headed to have fun in the AC at Dave & Buster's, because that is our place. Till I even put on my seatbelt on.
I like me a dangerous woman, not the one that don't put them seatbelts on.
But now we're headed to Dave & Buster's for fun in the AC. And we shall catch you guys there.
So guys, we found a super target. Let's this place is huge. It's twice the size of a regular Target. And she's freaking out right now. She can't believe it, guys. She's going full Tism mode, guys. Look how excited she is. Can you feel the energy through the camera? Oh, look.
And it glows in the dark. I mean...
Guys. Super Target is our favorite now. Because what I'm about to show you is a crazy selection. And that's just ice cream. Because I found this. It's a limited batch.
I want one.
And then we've been looking for these for forever.
I'm getting myself.
Can you believe that? I'm just kind of like, wow.
All that's to say, I think that's it for this video. So I hope you guys like and subscribe and, you know, hit the post notifications button, and it allows you to watch all of my videos as soon as they drop every Friday, which I'm sorry for my little hiatus, by the way. And all of my social media is linked down below as well. And it's also linked in my bio on my channel. If you go and click the little, you know, profile picture that pops up at the end of my videos. It's also gonna suggest some videos. Hope you guys enjoy those as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming along and watching me be in my element, I guess, because I love to film these, and these are so fun. And I definitely feel like I've gotten out of a slump. So thank God for that. All right, see ya.